here. Next page here has, we're almost done. So 20 Notion ideas, Notion AI ideas. So you can actually I was able to create 20 Notion AI ideas in collaboration with Notion AI. So you can, first thing you can do is you can create a recipe based on a list of ingredients. You can help solve coding problems. Notion AI can actually help solve Notion formula problems, come up with Notion templates ideas that you can sell. Create a simple table comparing variables to aid decision making. So let's do this now. Let me do this. Go to a fresh page. Show you. Okay. Create a table. Yeah. This is it. Of their latest models. Great, let us try this and see what happens. Great. So this is it. So I was expecting. Yeah. So comparison of Toyota and Mercedes-Benz. The feature, Toyota, country of origin, founded, CEO, popular models, ownership, public and private, latest models and prices, model, the prices, and this. So this is another thing you can do with Notion. I can actually move this, change this to turn this into database, and I can save it as an Excel. I can export it as an Excel file or a PDF here and share with anybody I want to share it with. So this is something Notion can do for you, Notion AI actually. So let's move forward. Yeah, you can actually recommend similar items to a given item, conduct research on a given topic. So if you want to carry out research on a particular industry or product for a product, you can do that with Notion AI. You can generate prompts to ask about a topic to get desired information. It can help create course outlines, scripts and quizzes. There was something I did recently. I asked Notion AI to give me 30 engaging LinkedIn poll ideas that will with at least 4 responses. Okay, 30. It's still writing. Okay.